All right, guys, how's it going? So, I haven't been working any cars lately, but I thought I'd better at least show you what's happening. And this is what's happening. So, we're framing the shop up. It's a big one. If I could even get the whole. It doesn't look that big on camera. Trust me, though, it's big. It's 24 by 48, just as poor is. 10-foot walls. So we're just trying to get all the walls done. We'll have the inside door that'll of the wall come out right here. Inside door, outside door. Then we have the garage door, the bay door, 16 foot wide. We have these windows. We're going to put the side sliders in. They have the grids between the glass. They're 48 by 48. So we'll have one there. We'll have one there. Another door is going to go into the shop next to this. And we'll frame out another window probably right there. I haven't decided yet. And so we're done up to right here. In the morning, we're going to finish this wall and start working on the end plate. Now, the end plate will have 4 windows in it. We'll have, we'll build it angles up, and that'll hold the ridge beam. We'll have a thing right in the middle that holds the ridge beam like a groove. We'll have like a mezzanine that's probably not going to go from top plate to top plate. It's probably going to go from top of this window, which is about 7 foot. I don't know, about 7 foot, probably a little over 7 foot. So the floor of the mezzanine will be here, probably come all the way over here to about a foot to the side of the garage door, and that'll run the whole width. We'll clear span that with I-joist. And that's going to be it. It's probably hard to see. I'm just showing like an empty spot on the camera, but that's the whole situation. It's a huge, massive job. I even bought a 12-foot step ladder. As you can see, pretty sketchy on the top of that baby. But not too bad. It's not really not been that expensive. I'd say with the concrete, with all the lumber, we're gonna zip system, green board the whole thing. Figured around $9,000 to $10,000, and that and the windows. Windows and doors, depends on what I do for the garage door. It's a big job, probably the biggest construction job I've ever been able to do, which it is a nice experience. Nothing too hard, just very time consuming, and it's been very hot. So my uncle and cousins here help me with it, but it's hot. So we've been working early in the morning, and it means you get up early. You get about 6:30 every day. So by the time 7, 8 o'clock in the evening comes along, you're pretty much done. So, you know, I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. This is only the first part of many parts of this. We're going to do another pour right next to this one, probably almost as big as this one. That'll be a big lean-to roof that covers that, and that'll be enclosed also. So you can walk to this door. You walk to this door, you're still inside. We'll probably go 20. I think I pretty much decided we'll go 20 or 24 out. 24 would be stretching it ceiling height, but 20 definitely. And that'll either come right after this or in the spring, depends on what the weather does. We still have about 2,200 square feet of house to do as soon as this is boxed in and sealed up from the weather. I'm gonna have to get 2 central heat and AC units, one for the shop area, this whole shop and the little shop, and one to do all the house area. We'll also do a mezzanine in the back of the house. It'd be like a big wood outlook over the living room, be another bedroom up there, and we'll probably have 3 bathrooms time this is all said and done. Monumental job. You know, I couldn't have made, none of this is possible without you guys, with YouTube. And to be honest with you, a lot of it's lottery ticket videos. That's paid for all the shop and more, just that one video. So just know before you guys say, oh, I unsubscribe, I hate lottery ticket videos. Well, that may be, but I mean, that pays the bills. That makes everything possible for this channel. The BMW videos doesn't pay enough to, well, it would pay enough to do this. It would take a lot longer to do it, though. A lot longer. And, yeah. So long story short, this whole build, by the time we insulate it, put some shelving, finish the inside, we're probably looking at, I don't know, depends on how far I go with it, $13,000 to $14,000. And there again, you just pay cash out of pocket, no weird loan or nothing. So when it's done, it's done. We just go on to something else and keep moving. So that's the update, guys. I'm going to try to shoot a car video the next day or two. We're going to be to the point we're going to be waiting for the big ridge beam. We have a one-piece LVL 14-inch tall 48-foot long ridge beam coming, and but it's going to take 7 days. So this is Monday. It'll be next Monday before it gets in. So hopefully another few days we'll be done at a stopping point on this. Hopefully I can knock out 4 or 5 car videos for you guys, get caught up a little bit, falling behind in MRE videos too. So we're almost there. Bear with me. We're back with regular videos. That's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.